So let's go through how to actually program an NFC tag. On my screen, I have at the bottom, you can see the orange one next to heads up and between a credo and different ones. You can see NFC Tools. I'm going to click on NFC Tools and it opens up so I can read, write, other, and see my saved tags. I want to write to NFC. So I'm going to click on the write button. And then before I can write it, I need to add the record. So I'm going to click the add record, the plus at the very top. And you can see all the different things that I can add. I can add text, a URL, custom URL, a unit link, application, social networks. You can have them go to your Facebook page. You can add a link to search, a file, mail, contacts, phone number, SMS, like all of these different things you can do with an NFC tag. So I'm going to go back up to URL. I'm just going to tap that, and then I'm going to type in, let's say I wanted to just go to the narts.org page. That's all it is. So I type that in, and at the top, I just click that black and white check mark to add the record. Now you can see that's in there, and you can see where it says write 14 bytes. So we're going to now write it to the key fob. I click on that, and then I just hover over it, and then you can see that blue check mark that popped up. That means that it actually accepted the record onto the key fob. So I'm going to close this out, and then I'm just going to go all the way out. Let's say I'm just wandering here, and I'm going to go above. Oops. I'm going to go above, and I'm just going to kind of take my phone, and sometimes you just have to circle around what you're doing, so it might take a second, and then it pops open, and it's thinking, it's going to come up, but then the narts.org website page is going to come up. So that's all it is. I wrote this key fob that I have to open up the narts.org page, and that's what it did. So that's all it is, you guys. It is taking your blank, whatever you have, a key fob, a sticker, a coin, anything like that, going into the NFC Tools, again, finding your NFC Tools, clicking on it, write it, there it is, write, hover over the item, it's going to give you that blue check mark, and then just double check that it actually took it, and then you're good to go. It's that easy. It's that easy and that much fun. Now the only thing we have to figure out is what we're going to tell people to do, what information we're going to give them, and that is our next video.